In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept ACH payments with Stripe. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn on ACH Direct Debit, verify customer bank accounts securely, integrate the payment method on your site, and make sure you have the proper authorization in place. First, let's enable ACH. In your Stripe dashboard, head to Settings, then Payment Methods. Find Bank Debits and switch on ACH Direct Debit. Turning this on makes ACH available to your integration and allows eligible customers to pay directly from their bank accounts. This is especially helpful for larger transactions and subscriptions because ACH fees are typically lower than card fees. Once enabled, Stripe will surface ACH as an option wherever your integration supports it. Next, you need to verify your customers' bank accounts. The smoothest way is to use Stripe Financial Connections. This lets customers securely link their bank accounts instantly by signing in with their bank. And it greatly reduces errors and fraud. It also improves conversion because here is no waiting period. If instant verification isn't an option for your use case, you can fall back to microdeposits. In that flow, Stripe sends 2 small deposits to the customer's bank account. Your customer then returns to confirm the exact amounts. Keep in mind that microdeposits typically take 1 to 2 business days to appear. So set expectations up front and consider sending a reminder so customers complete verification promptly. Now let's integrate the payment method. You have 2 straightforward choices. Stripe Checkout is a pre-built, hosted page that handles the full payment experience for you, including securely collecting bank details and managing compliance. It's the fastest way to get started and minimizes your PCI scope. If you prefer a more customized on-site flow, use the payment element. This embeds a single, unified UI component in your website to collect payment information, including bank details for ACH, while still keeping sensitive data off your servers. Finally, make sure you have proper authorization, often called a mandate, to debit your customer's account. When you use Stripe Checkout, this authorization is handled for you automatically, with clear language presented to the customer at the time of payment. If you are using the payment element, Stripe also supports mandate collection in the flow, so the customer explicitly agrees before any debit occurs. Keep that authorization for your records to help with compliance and dispute resolution. That's it. Enable ACH. Verify accounts securely, integrate with Checkout or the payment element, and ensure the mandate is captured. Thanks for watching.